Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen wa aqibatu lil muttaqeen wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulihil kareem wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'uzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu tabarak wa ta'ala fi kitabihil kareem. Laqad khalaqnal insana fi ahsani taqweem. Amantu billahi sadaqallahu al-azim wa ballagana rasuluhu an-nabiyyul kareem. وَنَحْنُ وَلَا ذَلِكَ لَمِنَ الشَّاهِدِينَ وَالشَّاكِرِينَ وَالْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. My respected brothers and sisters, this is Moulana Saddam Hossain Quadri, your brother and friend, on behalf of Islamic Discussion, to survey human beings through the Islamic discussion of the Holy Quran and the Holy Hadith. However, today we will talk about the creation that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the most beautiful on earth. So I would like to request to those people who are interested in it to pay attention and to keep watching the video till the end. My Islamic younger brothers and sisters, as to this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran in chapter number 95 and verse number 4. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. Indeed, we have created man in the best shape. Dear brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created uncountable creations. What you see, what you feel, what you can think of, all these are the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In a single word, it may be said that the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept us surrounded from every part of the world, every corner of the world, and every creation is very beautiful. But man is the most beautiful of all the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala granting him life, He gave him knowledge, power, sight, hearing, wisdom, etc. And all these, in fact, the qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is mentioned in the hadith of Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, Inna Allah khalaqa Adam ala suratihi. Indeed, Allah has created Adam in his image. My dear brothers and sisters, it could only mean that man has been characterized by some of the qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah is beyond any image or shape. So dear brothers and sisters, by the verse of the Holy Quran, by the statement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it has clearly been proven that man is the most beautiful creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We all are the most beautiful on earth. But remember well, our beauty is not sufficient for being a real human being. On the contrary, humanity is must to be a real human being. Now, it is responsibility to know which qualities are included to humanity. So let us know. Kindness, politeness, loving people, helping to the poor, all these are the most essential parts of humanity. You must have these qualities in you. Then you will be regarded as a real human being. Otherwise, you will never be considered as a real man. You must have these qualities in you. Then you will be regarded as a real human being. Otherwise, you will never be regarded as a human being. You will never be regarded as a real human being. My dear brothers and sisters, indeed you are very beautiful. So you need not beautify your face more. Rather beautify your heart. Beautify your soul. Inshallah, you will be living in everybody's life. You will be living in everybody's heart forever. May Allah give us much more human good qualities. Ameen.